Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. You want to see an adorable maxi dress? This is it. This is from Coco, and what I love most about this dress is the cut. I find it to be incredibly flattering. It's also very comfortable. It's made with a nylon, spandex, and polyester blend, so it is a little bit stretchy and forgiving. It also has an adorable tie belt, so you can tie it off to the side or center it, whichever you prefer. There's a slit on the left-hand side. It hits a few inches above the knee. Now this is a thinner material, so it is a bit see-through. You will most likely want to wear some kind of slip underneath. And it's pretty low cut. So for myself, I prefer to wear a cami underneath. If you don't want to wear a cami, you would probably have to wear a bra that has a deeper lunge to it so you don't see the bra. This particular dress is in the orange and black pattern, so it does come in some solids and a few different colors and patterns that you can choose from. So if you want something that's cute, flattering, and versatile, you should check it out. And that's my point of view.